Hi everyone! Today I'm in a different setup. I tried to do a little bit of changes in terms of background because I've been filming in the same spot for the past 3 or 4 videos. As the title suggests, I want to talk about some of the more Instagrammable places in Dubai. I have also shared some of these places on my Instagram previously. So if you want to look at some of the inspiration of the places that you can take photos at, you can go over there and check out my Instagram post like this one. And the first place that I went to was the Seef Street. To go to Seef, you can take a train, and the closest metro station to Seef is the Sharaf DG metro station. From there you can walk to the Seef Street, but in our case when we went there we stopped at the Berjuman metro station because we didn't want to switch metro rail line and we didn't want to walk, so we stopped at Berjuman and we took taxi from Berjuman station to Seef Street, and it was around 12 dirham for one way. Another way that you can get to Seef Street is if you are from the Spice Souk or Gold Souk, you can actually take a boat to the Seef site, and the boat is going to cost you around 2 dirham per trip. Seef has one of the most voted Starbucks. You can go on Instagram and find Starbucks Seef. A lot of people have been posting TikToks and Instagram stories and photos on that. As you go along the Seef Street, you can see a lot of shops, but we went there quite early, around 11 a.m. so it's the best time for you to take photos at Seef without people around. The next place that we went to was the French Village. It's a French village theme architecture, more of like facade, because some of the places doesn't actually let you enter into it. It's just like a facade of a store and stuff. You can get there by train up to the UAE station, and then you would have to take taxi to the French village area. You can ask for them to take you to Outlet Village because that area is more known for the Outlet Village or the Motion Gate. When you arrive at the Outlet Village, you can shop around first, and then it's a walking distance to the French Village. The taxi cost that we took from UAE Exchange metro station is around 39 dirham-ish. Make sure that you exit from the correct side of the train station because we did a little bit of a mistake of getting on the other side and we got charged around 65 dirham. The taxi had to do a U-turn. In the French Village there was McDonald's that is also part of the French Village theme, so you can also take some photos there. And the next place that is very beautiful is the Souk Madinat Jumeirah. You can get there by train up to the Mall of the Emirates metro station. So from there you can take a taxi and it will cost you around 13 dirham one way. When I arrived there, it is such a beautiful place, and it was also a very good timing. We went there around 4 or 5 p.m. and it's already not that hot at that time, so we were able to take a lot of photos. There's this part before you enter that you can take a photo, and everywhere you turn in the Souk Madinah you can take amazing photos at. There's also an indoor shopping place that you can buy souvenirs from. It's one of the most beautiful place that I've visited here. And the next place that I recommend you to go if you are looking to go to a mall, Ibn Battuta Mall is, I think it's the biggest theme mall in the UAE. You can easily get there by metro. They have a direct access of the Ibn Battuta metro station there, so once you got off the train it's just a little bit of walking distance into the mall itself. In the mall there are different wings, so each wing has its own theme. There's Persian theme area, India court, China court, Egypt wing, so you can really go all out in terms of taking photos in there. You can see the differences between those cultures in terms of shops in that mall. There are Sephora's, a lot of home decor type of shop, Starbucks right in the middle with very pretty dome in there, H&M, American Eagle and all those stuff as well. A beautiful mall to enjoy, not just in terms of shopping but also to get an overall experience of being in a mall. And the next place we went to, Queen Elizabeth II Hotel. Although it is named as hotel in the Google map, but it is actually a cruise ship that is docking. As you enter into the reception area, you will be welcomed with this big area with a lot of books from the late Queen Elizabeth library in the ship. After you walk out of the reception area, it will be like an open space that you can take photos in front of the actual cruise ship. We also took some photos there, and when you walk into the cruise ship, there is a lot of details in the ship. Grand lounge area that you can take photos at. You can go to the deck that is next to the dining place. I think it's a multiple stories type of deck. You can take photos in the small library nook area, but of course you would have to pay for your stay there. When we went there for the staycation, we chose the second cheapest room. It cost us 277 dirham for the room. It comes with free breakfast for two. They also have 24 hours room service. The closest metro station to the Queen Elizabeth II Hotel is Al Ghubaiba station, but again we stopped at the Bergman station and just straight away take a taxi there, so it cost us around 21 dirham for one way. It was such a great moment experiencing cruise ship for the first time, although it is not like a moving cruise ship and stuff. So that is it, 5 of the most Instagrammable places in Dubai. I hope you enjoy this video. Of course, there are a lot more beautiful places that you can go in Dubai. This is just based on our experience from our point of view. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Your girl is trying to get 200 subscribers before the end of this month. Click that notification bell so that you get notified every time I post, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.